the universe, there is a world and there is the magical world of charisma. A workshop lies at the foot of Mount Fortuna. Inside the workshop, there is a wonderful collection of curious objects and ornaments. The owner of the workshop is Silversmith. On her workbench, see a small cup containing a precious measure of silver, the last drop she saved from the silver pool. It happened not long ago. On that day, she went to the silver pool and was horrified the pool had run out of silver. Silversmith called upon the spirits of Agapogo. There was an explosion. Then Agapogo appeared. She looked furious.
You have every reason to be angry, Agapogo, but Zorgan has used his magic selfishly to curse and drain this precious pool. Can you allow me one last measure of silver? I will make amends, and you will be honored throughout charisma.
I will give you this silver, but you have to break the curse.
Silversmith scooped up the last drops of silver and poured them into a cup. At Silversmith's workshop, she created the crown of Agapogo using the silver and sparkling rubies. Queen Cham is delighted and wants to show gratitude to Agapogo's kindness.
I shall declare a holiday. It will be known as Agapogo Day.
Silversmith breaks the curse by Zorgan using the last drop of silver and casts it into the magic pool. The magic pool will now restore over time. Agapogo is thirsty for revenge on the wicked magician, Zorgan. She flies and enters at the cavern at the heart of Mount Fortuna. A clash of eggs heaps upon the sandy floor. Unmistakably, they are dragon eggs. Agapogo takes the deepest breath and exhales her breath that then turns into a massive ball of fire. The fireball blasts its way up through a crack in the mountain and bursts out of the top with an ear-splitting. The air in the cavern grows hotter and hotter. Then the eggs split open. One by one, the dragons emerge from their splintered shells. They are the ancient bugs in charisma which bring fear to people. Agapogo speaks to them in the language of dragons. As soon as she finishes speaking, the dragons unfold their wings and pour from the top of Mount Fortuna. They then swim towards Zorgan's tower. Zorgan is shocked when he saw smoke billowing from Mount Fortuna because it has never erupted before. Without noticing it, the cloud of smoke is heading towards his tower fast. A cluster of dragons come hurling and smashing the glass into 1,000 pieces. Within seconds, the room is alive with fire-spewing bugs. Zorgan is terrified and quickly utters the first insect-zapping curse he could think of.
Stupid fly!
But the curse misses the bugs. He then tries to use rain spell to put out the flames, but it does not help much. Letters and words begin to float off the pages, while the dragons are eating the spell books. At last, the bugs fly away, leaving Zorgan's tower severely damaged. Zorgan is furious, but he could not do anything. Back in the lovely town of Charisma, the Agapogo Day is a great success. The fireworks on Lantern Hill are spectacular.
I shall wear this every year on Agapogo Day in honor of Agapogo. From now on, Agapogo will always be remembered for giving us the silver. All is well. There's only one thing that could please me more. Do you have any news of my missing charm bracelet, Silversmith? And where are Sesame and Mandy?
But that is another story. It must be told another day.